Like I like that approach instead of just trying to, I guess, like have everyone become like pet owners, like just let the cats roam and do as they please, and you just get to interact with them
like
all.
Cats from going onto the street. You can only have cat in the house, and they fine you if your cat is outside the house, which is crazy. It's ridiculous. It's a free animal.
Yeah, exactly. And these house cats have no inhibition.
There also might be asparagus growing already. It's a pretty warm winter. Usually they grow inside. They feel probably crazy trapped inside.
Do
you have a
yeah.
This is awesome.
Oh.
There's no lighter at all. Fuck, we're so fucked. No fireworks. Oh well. Interesting now.
Yep. I remember it like it was yesterday. No, it's just the same layout. How do we get down here? Oh yeah, because they're all the same layout. It's crazy though, man. Literally right there is massive stuff. Zero liability except for filling up with diesel.
And this type of stuff is like, if you ever seen Godfather movie, it's just that type of village. The field is called the Field of Trees.
Yeah.
Wow.
Or the monk field, or the...
Ravno. It's the least Ravno place in the world. The place is called like flat, straight. How do you call it? Say? Just flat. Yeah, flat. Alright, ready? Yeah. Open the doors. Come on, can you open the doors?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Back Alley Road. Service is tough. Amazon Big Beach. Hello. This nice summer. He's back. The streets up. Lots of pros. Alright.
Oh!
From my generation and younger
Yeah.
in town, like all the metalheads were hanging out there, and all the punks, everyone was absolutely like everyone that was like younger was like hanging out there. Since there was like abandoned hospital that we remade into like a club and rooms for music practice. We go down here, and there was like 5 metal bands, like punk bands, like absolutely everyone, and we would go there each night. And then there was like this park that you could access if you go through like a tiny hole in the wall, and we would all like drink there. Not there.
What is in all of this?
Wow. Wow.
It's a rock and a bottle.
Should we go back to the car or?
Yeah.